Hey guys, it is Ken, and today we are going to be doing a video of my sister's fidget spinner versus my fidget spinner. Green bearings, black bearings, not that much of a difference, but oh, I'm so scared. It's my first trip. Not really. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. It's super loud with them together. Daddy, where my pencil go? Daddy, I think it went on my nose, Daddy. I think I just I'm just blowing my pencil. Daddy. $50. Go down and go down together. 1 minute. Okay, I've been trying to do this video for so long. I've kept on messing up my intros, and then been 22. Yep, mine's done. Oh, yep, mine's done. Alright, let's see my sister's. Shut up, man. 37. And stop. Okay, hers went for 1:45. Oh, man, she beat me. She beat me. Well, there you have it. That's why I made the video, guys. Now you know. My knee's dirty from falling. Now, this fidget spinner is better. This fidget spinner is better than mine. Happy birthday to you, Jackson. Well, it's not your birthday. Well, it was your birthday, like, I don't know, but your birthday party's coming up. Coming up. I might record, what I'm getting him. Jack already knows from my friend, and I told him, and then he told Jack. So, Jack, don't spoil it in the comments, guys. Let me know what you think it is. Peace out.